When you learn the goal setting process and test it, you will confidently apply it to every type of goal. It works for individuals, small businesses, corporate organizations, and nations. Zig Ziglar gave the example of how diligent pursuit of clearly defined goals worked for Japan. After the World War II bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945, the Japanese made a remarkable comeback. In 1950, the war-torn country, without natural resources and having lost a high percentage of its young men to war, set a 10-year goal to excel in the production of textiles. The goal was met. In 1960, another 10-year goal was set to become the world's number one in the production of steel. It seemed impossible, but they met this goal by sheer dint of hard work and good planning, despite having to import iron ore and coal from thousands of miles away. In 1970, managers of the Japanese economy set their sights to its becoming number one in production of automobiles. They missed the mark by only 1 year. To learn how to set and accomplish goals, read the ebook 5 Steps to Create the Life You Desire. To purchase the ebook, go to www.enduringwealthcoach.xyz. #GoalSettingWorks.